Have you been training your shoulders for months or even years, yet those gains just don't seem to show? No matter how hard you try, your shoulders remain stubbornly small. If this sounds like you, then stay tuned, because today, we're uncovering the 9 main reasons why your shoulders just won't grow, and how you can finally break through that frustrating plateau. Welcome back to Official Senior Health, where we help you unlock your body's full potential, no matter your age. Shoulders are one of the most iconic and admired muscle groups. Broad, strong, and defined shoulders don't just look great, they also improve posture, upper body strength, and athletic performance. But growing your shoulders isn't always easy. Sometimes, it feels like no matter what you do, they refuse to budge. So, what's really holding you back? Let's dive deep into the most common, but often overlooked, reasons why your shoulders won't grow, and the practical ways to fix them. Did you know that most people train their shoulders wrong? They spend hours in the gym, yet their technique is sabotaging their progress. It's not just about lifting heavy weights, it's about training smart. Reason 1. You're neglecting the rotator cuff and stabilizer muscles. Many lifters focus on the big shoulder muscles, the deltoids, while completely ignoring the rotator cuff and stabilizer muscles around the shoulder joint. This is a huge mistake. The shoulder is one of the most complex and mobile joints in the body, and its health depends heavily on these smaller muscles working correctly. Without strong stabilizers, your shoulders become vulnerable to injury, pain, and imbalanced muscle development. You might find yourself compensating during lifts, which means the main shoulder muscles don't get fully activated or stressed enough to grow. Incorporating exercises like external rotations, face pulls, and scapular retractions can reinforce these muscles, improving shoulder stability and overall growth. If your shoulders feel unstable or ache during pressing motions, it's a sign you need to strengthen those small but mighty muscles first. Think pumping out endless shoulder sets will get you bigger delts? Think again. Sometimes less is more. Reason 2. Overtraining without proper recovery. Shoulder muscles, like any other muscle group, need adequate recovery to grow. Unfortunately, many people fall into the trap of overtraining, thinking more volume equals more growth. This leads to constant muscle fatigue, micro tears that never heal, and eventually, stagnation or even regression. The shoulders are particularly prone to overuse because they are involved in many upper body exercises, even those that target the chest or back. Without proper rest, your muscles are constantly under stress, unable to repair and grow. To fix this, plan your workouts to include rest days specifically for shoulder recovery. Listen to your body and watch for signs like persistent soreness, joint pain, or decreased performance. Growth happens outside the gym, in your recovery phase. Are you fueling your muscles properly? You might be training hard but starving your gains. Reason 3. Poor nutrition and inadequate protein intake. No matter how perfectly you train, if your diet isn't aligned with your goals, your shoulders won't grow. Muscles need building blocks, primarily protein, to repair and grow stronger after workouts. Many people don't realize that shoulder muscles, although smaller than the chest or legs, still require enough calories and quality protein to develop. Skipping meals, eating low protein, or not getting enough calories overall will stall your progress. Make sure your diet includes lean proteins such as chicken, fish, eggs, and plant-based sources like beans and lentils. Also, don't forget healthy fats and complex carbs to fuel your workouts and recovery. Supplements like whey protein or BCAAs can also help when your regular diet falls short. Your form could be killing your gains without you even knowing it. Proper technique is everything. Reason 4. Improper exercise form and lack of mind-muscle connection. If you're not feeling your shoulders working during exercises, chances are your form is off or you're relying too much on momentum. This is one of the biggest reasons shoulders fail to grow. For example, when doing overhead presses or lateral raises, swinging the weights or using too much body momentum shifts the work away from your deltoids and onto other muscles or joints. Slowing down your movements, focusing on controlled lifts, and really feeling the shoulder muscles contract during every representative can make a huge difference. The mind-muscle connection is a powerful tool. Imagine your muscles working harder and growing bigger just by concentrating more on each movement. There's a hidden factor in your training routine that could unlock serious shoulder gains, yet almost no one talks about it. Reason 5. Lack of progressive overload. Progressive overload means gradually increasing the stress placed on muscles over time, whether by adding weight, increasing reps, or changing tempo. Without progressive overload, muscles have no reason to grow. Many people get stuck doing the same weight, sets, and reps week after week, which leads to a plateau. Your shoulders become accustomed to the routine and stop adapting. Keep a training log and aim to slowly increase your workload every week. This could be adding just one more representative or a small amount of weight. Even slight improvements accumulate over time and result in bigger, stronger shoulders. You might be unknowingly doing too much or too little. Balance is key. Reason 6. Imbalanced training and neglecting shoulder heads. Your shoulders have 3 distinct heads: anterior, front, lateral, side, and posterior, rear, deltoids. To build broad, well-rounded shoulders, you need to train all 3 evenly. However, many people focus too much on the front delts, mainly because pressing exercises target this area, and neglect the lateral and rear delts. This leads to poor shoulder shape, weak posterior muscles, and even shoulder pain from imbalances. Make sure your routine includes exercises for all heads, such as front raises, lateral raises, and reverse flies. A balanced approach not only enhances aesthetics but also improves shoulder function and prevents injury. Reason 7. Sticking to only machines or free weights. Both machines and free weights have benefits, but relying exclusively on one can limit your growth. Machines offer stability and isolate muscles well, but they often don't engage the stabilizers that free weights do. Free weights require more coordination and balance, activating more muscle fibers and improving overall strength. Vary your workouts by combining both. Use free weights for compound lifts like overhead presses and machines for isolation exercises like lateral raises to maximize shoulder development. Reason 8. Ignoring mobility and flexibility. Limited shoulder mobility is a silent growth killer. Tight muscles and restricted joint movement can prevent you from performing exercises with full range of motion, reducing the effectiveness of your workouts. Incorporate daily mobility drills, dynamic stretches, and foam rolling into your routine. Improving flexibility not only helps you lift more safely but also allows your muscles to stretch and contract fully, essential for muscle growth. Reason 9. Not prioritizing shoulder training in your program. Finally, if you want bigger shoulders, you have to make them a priority. Many people treat shoulders as an afterthought, just a quick add-on at the end of their workout. For noticeable growth, dedicate specific sessions or at least 2 focused days per week to shoulder training. Prioritize heavy compound lifts early in your workout when you're fresh, and then move on to isolation work. Consistency and prioritization will reward you with gains. So, are you ready to fix these 9 hidden reasons and finally see your shoulders grow? Remember, building broad, strong shoulders is a marathon, not a sprint. Train smart, fuel your body, recover well, and focus on technique, and the results will come. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Official Senior Health for more expert tips, and share your shoulder training struggles in the comments below. What's been the biggest challenge for you? Let's get the conversation going. Thank you for watching, and remember, your health, strength, and vitality matter at every age. See you in the next video.